The feast of sounds that stirred his heart all morning comes to an end. When night falls, other sounds fill Gyeongsangbuk-do Province. From the drums to the wooden fish, various sounds from the morning service awaken the province. Popgo is one of the 4 instruments used in a Buddhist service. It's a drum that seeks to help all humans and creatures achieve enlightenment through its sound. The still of the night. Intense sounds of life wake up the sea. Soon the sun rises and saturates the sea with a powerful energy. Fresh fish caught in the clean waters of the East Sea flap about in the boat. The sound of the generous catch is a joy to the fishermen.
오늘은 참치 저게 한 10가우, 가우수로 10가우 정도 되고 바로 살아난 고기가 한 통. 그 다음에 이제 저거 오징어가 이제 통으로 이제 한 통. 그래 잡어 한 통. 그래 살려가.
The fishing boats that worked all night return to the port. Fresh fish caught in the sea of Gyeongsangbuk-do Province are moved to land. The fish auction begins with the sound of a bell. Guryongpo snow crabs from 400 meters under the sea pour down like orange gems. Thousands of them are auctioned off each day and provide the town's status as the largest snow crab producer in Korea. Upon the starting signal, people's hands get busy. How will Lucas draw the sounds of the sea's abundance and life's energy?
Well, coming to the sea and sketching is inspiring to me because you receive the sensation of tranquility that gives you the sea or the ocean, and I like the sound of the waves and the peaceful landscape.
After drawing the sounds of the ocean, the artist heads to another place. The end of fall. What does a harvest in Gyeongsangbuk-do sound like? Gyeongsangbuk-do fruits are popular for their nutritional values and high sugar content. Among them are Sangju's kokgam, dried persimmons that represent the province. This entire village grows persimmons. According to the records, the dried persimmons from here were served to the kings in the Joseon dynasty.
He venido a Sangju área famosa por la producción de kaki dulce. Vamos a escuchar el sonido de los kakis al caer del árbol durante la faena de recolección.
Ripe persimmons still hang in clusters on every tree. Gyeongbuk is known for its particularly delicious persimmons. Villagers are busy doing the last harvest of the year. Persimmons fall like heavy rain. How did persimmon farming develop so much here?
감은 아주 추운 지방에서는 냉해라든가 동해로 인해 가지고 잘 안 되거든요. 그리고 우리 상주 지방에는 경상북도 감이 아주 지형적으로 기후라든가 뭐 여러 가지 지형적으로 아주 적합한 생육에 좋은 그런 지역이라고 봅니다.
Harvested persimmons are immediately taken to the village workshop. But there's a rule in persimmon farming.
근데 원칙이라 하는 거예요. 자연이나 모든 게 그렇잖아요. 그 원칙을 벗어나지 않고 내가 그 도움을 주고 내가 조금 보살펴주는 정도로 가야 되지. 이걸 마치 내 나무라고 내가 많이 넣어가지고 많이 수확을 한다는 그런 욕심을 가지면은 제로 상태가 됩니다.
The villagers make kokkam by peeling the persimmons and drying them under the shade. They use strings to hang each persimmon so that it can maintain its round shape.
이거 이제 한 50년 됐으니까 감농사도 짓고 뭐 사과농사도 짓고 해가지고 아들들 다 시집 장교 보내고 하는데 손자들이 다 대학교 다니.
Kokkam is Korea's representative dried fruit. Drying the persimmons removes their astringent taste and leaves them sweet and chewy.
안경 잡사. 꽃감 하나 잡사봐. 요 말랑말랑한 거 요거 한번 잡사봐. 말랑말랑한
For me, thank you. Sweet.
홍수된 게 없어서.
감사합니다. 맛있어요.
어?
맛있어요.
맛있어.
Koreans of all ages love kokkam. In the past, it was a delicacy that people ate throughout winter when food was scarce. It takes about 45 days to make half-dried persimmons called pangonshi and about 70 days to make kokkam. Sweet and chewy kokkam has always been the pride of Sangju.